So we only have here two ingredients, and that is a 125 grams of flour. I did not press the flour here, just the regular thing, and then I will be adding one egg. So as simple as that. Always remember, we're not going to put or add salt. So we're not going to add salt. So what we're going to do, if we think that our dough is too soft, we have to add flour. If that is too sticky, stays still the same. Sticky or liquidy, you have to add flour. So I'm using the fork in mixing the egg, and after I will be kneading it here. What about if you've already put everything here and then it's still too dry? So I think you can add a bit of water here. So this will be always remember, not too sticky, not too dry. So this is too dry. But I have to make them incorporate. I have to knead them first. Learning how to make a pasta is very easy. All you have to do is just memorize the measurement. So 125 grams of farina or flour is equal to 1 egg. 4 eggs is equal to 4 eggs. That's 500 grams of flour. So it's super dry. So if you have like this way, what is your best solution for this? So you will not throw the mixture. All you have to do is to add a bit of water and then mix, press, and then it will be, we're almost there. I hope so. So you have to press that hardly. You need water. I add water, I